44. Mana ni? Where's the rest? Tidur ke? Okay, so before we start, before we continue with the decision. So today we are going to finish everything about the decision. And later on next week we are going to cover on the looping. Okay, looping 1 week already enough. Not too many things to cover. Looping very simple. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Before we start, so let's warm up a little bit. Warm up. Let's look at the some of your friend answer from last week exercise. This one, practice. Okay, very simple exercise. Okay, those who didn't submit as you can see over here 51 if you have submitted but submitted in a wrong link also will not consider so you'll be considered as absent the consequence is if you absent 20% or more in each of the subject that you registered, most probably you will be not allowed to take final exam or the final assessment. Okay, that's the consequence. So make sure you submit every exercise that given to you. Okay, for this class it will be considered as your attendance. Okay. If you still remember, the question is about the fees for tunas kindergarten. So the fixed fees start with 250 and then if the parent want to enroll their student their kid to taekwondo class, so they need to pay additional 50 ringgit. Very simple. Okay. Okay. Abdul Aziz, are you here, Abdul Aziz? Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz. Not here, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz. Okay. Abdul Aziz. The mistake over here, the rest is okay. Okay, the mistake is on the usage of percent %s. So supposedly because our friend here is using single character so it's supposed to be %C. Can you hear my voice, class? Because it's raining heavily.
Yes, sir.
Heavy raining,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think that's why some of you still sleeping. Okay, sorry. Okay, %S over here. Okay, so the rest I think is okay. Okay, so our friend here is using, is it a single or bi or multi decision, class?
Right.
Bye.
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 Sir, ada yang nak masuk.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry Aduh. Okay. Mula mana tadi? Okay, this one So my question is, this is what type of decision, guys? Is
Sir,
it
sir tak
single,
present.
by?
Sir tak present.
Ya ke? Okay.
Bye.
Single, by or multi selection kan?
By
So apa?
selection.
Our friend answer?
Single.
Ha?
Single. Single.
Single, by or multi?
By
Single.
selection.
Don't get confused dia confused So this I'm referring to Abdul Aziz answer not your answer kan. It can be more than one answer but for Abdul Aziz, our friend here is using this one is by, this is a single, so which one? Of course it is not multi kan. Multi you must have more than one condition kan, more than one symbol, okay, diamond symbol. So is it by or is it single?
Bye.
By selection.
Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
By
Bye.
kan. The difference is, and if you still remember, if it is a single, you see the coding, if you translate this one into coding, there's no else and because of there's empty over here, no statement for false condition. Okay, statement only appear in the body of true if the condition is true. But for by, okay, by, both if and else have its own statement true, false. So this one is belong to else kan, false ni, this one is belong to else. Okay, so that's why this one is by lah. Okay, so make sure Abdul Aziz if you are here percent C change to percent C Okay, another one, Abdul Rahman. Are you here, Abdul Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdul Rahman. Using string compare. Okay, good. Okay, I think this one is correct. So this is example of correct answer as well. Okay, different answer using string compare. However, it's still correct. And also this is by Okay, next. Let's look at Ahmad Zakwan. Ahmad Zakwan, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Zakwan. Okay. Why do you declare char class and then you put y/n? What does this mean?
Yes or no?
Yeah, yes or no. Meaning what? It is either yes or no ke apa ni?
Yes.
Okay. Yes or no is condition, right? Is it? So
Yes.
you didn't put condition over here. Condition is in a condition lah. Like this. This is condition. This is initialization. Okay. In fact, you don't have to put initial value for this one. You don't have to put this unless it is needed. In this case, okay, for your program, it is not required for you to put it over there.
Okay, sir.
And also, if you see, class is a reserved word. That's why the color is blue, highlighted blue. So it is reserved word. Reserved word meaning that supposedly you must avoid to use it. Okay, it is reserved for some syntax. Okay, so if possible, if you declare a variable and then you get this color, so change the name of the variable lah.
Okay.
Okay, let's say if you insist to do initialization, kan? So what you can do is put either y or n. Choose either one only, not put everything. So let's say the possible for the value have 10 possible, kan? Y or n or z or a or c. Are you going to list everything? No, right? You understand me?
Yes.
Zakwan. So no, don't list every possibility over here. No, right? Like this, kan? So you list only one, right? Yeah, it is 250, not 250 slash 300 slash 500, right? Okay. Okay, clear, And then I'm not saying this is wrong, You straight away print F. This is okay. But the thing with this value is you couldn't get the system couldn't retrieve the value of 300 once it want to use it again. For example, there are another statement below here, kan? After exiting the decision, there's a statement that required you to further calculate the fee. So how do you want to obtain this value? Fee plus 50 So the value stored where? Nowhere, kan? Can be fine, kan? That's why if possible, avoid print and then do calculation inside of the print, okay? Do the calculation outside of the print, and then after obtaining the value, and then you print the value, okay, from the variable. Do you understand me?
Oh, yes.
For example, contoh total, kan? Total equal to for example like this for example. So then later on, after finish this, over here you can call again total, kan? Otherwise you couldn't get the value, kan? 300 value. Where do you want to get that value? Okay, all right. Okay, so next, let's look at from Boy. Are you here, Boy?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so our friend here is using by or single.
I'm using single.
Okay, so this is single, right? Without else. So this also, is it correct? Okay, correct. However, you will lose mark on the calculation, Boy. Okay, because the question mentioning, something 250, 50. So if you look at this, there's a simple calculation that to be done, right? So if you avoid that and you straight away put the value 300 without do the calculation, okay, even if this is assessment, okay, for sure you will lose some mark on the calculation. Okay, although the answer is correct, kan? Okay.
Oh,
Boleh,
okay.
eh?
But
So if you
sir,
see, yeah.
if
Yes.
I change to 250 plus 50, right? When I run I run this system, but I can't get 300. I don't know why.
Of, of course you can get 300.
I cannot get
What?
300.
For example, what? This one change to 300. This
350
one
plus
change to
50
250
plus 50.
plus 50. Like that.
Uh, uh,
You couldn't get the answer. Is it?
hard.
Okay, let's try. Why? There?
Oh, okay, sorry. I don't know why.
Uh,
So must write like
okay,
this.
but the most accurate answer is this one supposed to be C lah. So this is full mark. Okay, full mark for the equation. If you put 250, then maybe half of the equation mark. If you put like this, they will be
Okay,
okay.
thank you.
All right. Okay. Brian, are you here, Brian?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Brian. Okay. Uh, compare need to use double, Brian. If you put equal, meaning that you want to put this value to this value, to this variable. Okay, make sure if it is involving decision, okay, comparison use double equal. Okay, this one supposed to be fee lah. And then this one you need to put initial value for fee. Okay, 250. So that you can put fee over here. Boleh Brian
Okay, okay.
Okay. Diong Hui, are you here? Apa ni tadi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Diong Hui. Okay, Diong Hui. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, single. Okay, correct.
Okay.
Okay, Farah Hidayah. Farah Hidayah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Farah Hidayah. Okay. Okay, using by selection. Okay, Felicia. Felicia. Okay, single. Okay, maybe one more One more. Hanim. Alamak, apa ni? Hanim ada Hanim? Hanim?
Yes, sir.
Next time submit C file Hanim This
Oh,
one is
okay,
picture
sir. Alright, sir. Sorry,
Hazmi,
sir.
Hazmi. Okay, Hazmi. Hazmi ada Hazmi.
Ada sir.
Ni words ni C file Not words
Okay sir.
Okay, Ilya. Okay, Ilya using 0 or 1. Okay, also correct. Okay, acceptable. Okay, I think that's all for warm up But anyone else that want me to check the answer? If you are not sure whether you do correctly or not. Hello, before we proceed, anybody want us to discuss your answer? Ada? No, So if no, then let us proceed. Ada? No. Okay, so we are going to go to the next. Okay, so previously we already covered a single, bi, and one of the multi kan. Multi can be divided to two types kan. The first one is ladder kan. Apa? If else if kan, ladder kan. Ladder type. And then the second one is nested. So ladder is the type of multi-selection commonly being used lah. Okay, commonly being used. Most of the answer, most of the answer, most of the time, okay, if you see from the assessment, we applied ladder. Nested sometimes, based on case lah. Okay, nested. So the one that we are going to discuss next is nested. So what's the difference between nested and ladder? Okay, let us look at this exercise kan, that we already discussed last week. Okay, remember this class? Can you see my flowchart?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one kan? We already discussed kan? So we have this mark to get A, this mark B, this mark C, and else D kan? So what happened? Okay, this one only involving okay, let me delete this kan. There's no grade F kan. No more F Alright. Okay. So this is involving one input and one output. So let's say there's a additional requirement, okay, for you to complete for this system kan. So let's say you are required, okay, you are required to add special award. Special award, okay, to be included in this system. So special award, if student get special award, so special award will be displayed as yes, Y lah, Y, okay. If didn't get special award, so special award will become N lah. Okay, N. Okay, this is just summary. Okay, so special award can be Y or can be N. So if the student got special award, it will be Y lah. Okay, if not, it will be N. Okay, so the condition to get special award is student must get grade A, and also OQ must be pass. P for pass. Then the student will get special award. So we add additional CoQ over here. Okay, so first, what should we do? Okay, where should we start to modify this flowchart? Anybody? Any volunteer? Do you understand, class, the additional requirement?
Yes, sir.
So COQ tu?
CoQ.
Oh.
Co-curriculum.
Oh,
Co-curriculum must be pass. Must be pass.
Oh. Okay.
Ah.
Oh.
So CoQ either P or F lah kan. P for pass, F for fail. So if CoQ pass and grade A, then student will get special award. Kan. There's a condition kan over there kan. Any thought class? Any idea?
User enter the curriculum.
Yes, that one is correct. So the decision clearly involving co-curriculum kan. So where do you want to get the value for co-curriculum? So similar with marks lah. So user need to enter, okay? So user need to enter the co-Q result. So it is either P or F. Okay, good. Next one.
At diamond
At diamond where? Okay, correct. There will be a diamond. But where to put this diamond?
Sebelah grade.
Where?
Sebelah grade. Sebelah grade. Grade A.
Alright, correct. So it mentioned that the requirement mentioned that a student must get grade A. So if student get grade B, not what kan? So student must get grade A. So over here, the student first must get grade A, then it will check again. Check what? The condition is what?
CoQ.
Then CoQ must be
Equal to P.
okay, equal to P. Kan? Okay, then what happened? Okay, so what happened if it is true? What happened if it is false? Buat macam ni Okay, this is true. This is false. What happen if it is true?
Special award. Why?
Dapat special award.
Special award, correct. The student will get special award. Okay. Buat je lah. Award equal to?
Yes.
Why kan? If false, what happen?
Award equal to N.
Award equal to N. Let's test this. Okay, let's say if false, award equal to N. Award equal to N. And then both will go which direction, class? Which direction both will go?
N.
Belum N lagi.
Print grade.
Both will go to print grade lah. So it will re-enter its original part, which is over here. Over here lah. Original part is over here kan. So this is just additional. Originally it will go to print N. So we put additional condition, but it will still re-enter the original parts, which is to the print. So both will go to the same parts lah, which is also to the print lah. Ni So you nanti later on you redraw this nicely, yeah. Okay, like this, Okay, let's test this. Is it correct or no? Sorry. Final step is to print grade and of course what, kan? Otherwise, how can we see whether the student get what or not? Okay, so let's say student enter marks. Okay, marks 80, and then co-Q student enter P. Okay, what's this? Okay, so marks equal to 80, correct. So grade A, co-Q P. Okay, true. What Y? Okay, what Y? Okay, print grade A and got a what? Y. Okay, correct. Okay, but let's say what happen if user enter mark 60. Okay, mark 60 co-Q P. Okay, mark 60. Okay, he will get B, and then it will print B and print what? What's the value for the what to be print over here?
Tak ada word.
No,
Tak ada.
bukan tak ada. It is not no value. If it is no, meaning that we print N. But this is null. No value. So the system we what? We search for this value. What is the value? Because you didn't give the system value for it to be print over here. The value that it should print is either Y or N. But now, no value, none, no value. So clearly there's something wrong with your design, kan? How to fix this, class?
Initialize.
Letak decision tu sebelum
Initialize award
print.
ke?
Bukan bukan award ni.
Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Apa dia? Anybody?
Initialize award ke?
Okay, Nurul Atika. Initialize the value of
Award.
what?
Yeah.
Okay. Initialize the value. Okay, initialization should be put on top of the design, kan, over here. So initialization. So it's supposed to be what? Initialize to what value?
N.
Okay. And if you put Y, then all students most probably will get what? Kan? So let's say you do some mistake over here. You put Y, kan? So let's test, kan? Okay, Y, Y equal to Y. So student enter 60. Co-Q P. Okay, this is false. This is true. Okay. Mark 60. So grade B, and then it will print grade B award equal to Y. Wrong, right? Supposedly grade A award Y. Grade B award. The student get grade B, what's supposed to be what? N or Y?
N.
If grade B award must be N. So this is wrong. Because you declare award Y, meaning that every student will get award Y. So wrong. So you must put award equal to
N.
Okay, award must be N. Now we test again. 60 and then co-Q P. Pass. So 60 B, and then we print B award N. Because award is the initial value is N. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, let's revisit our grade A co-Q P. So now that we already have this initialization, do we still need this one class?
No.
No.
It is redundant, right? Okay, not good. Okay, if it is redundant, so we can just remove this. So that if, okay, so that if you see over here, okay, award and user enter mark 100, CoQ-P. Okay, 100 A, CoQ-P, true. So award Y. Okay, good. Okay, but let's say if user enter 100, CoQ-F. Okay, CoQ-F. Okay, so mark 100 true, grade A, CoQ-F. CoQ-F meaning that what, Y or N?
N.
N.
N kan? False kan? False. So if we print what N lah, because initially we already have what equal to N. Do you get this, class? I'm not saying that if you put what equal to N over here is wrong. It is still correct. You will still get the correct answer. However, in terms of optimization, okay, the less your code is, the more optimized your program is going to be. Optimization meaning that it can running faster, okay, compared to if you put what equal to y over here. Okay, more codes meaning it going to be much slower. Alright, very clear, eh? So next, how we are going to convert this into a C program? Okay, now I'm giving you this code over here. Okay, and then I want you to add the additional condition and additional design that we put in the flowchart. Boleh class?
Boleh,
I
sir.
give you maybe 7 minutes. Okay, I share you the codes through the group WhatsApp. Okay, 7 minutes, and then somebody will have to share the answer. So I will let you share your answer later on. 7 minutes. Sekejap. Apa ni? Nested. Okay, open up your WhatsApp class. Okay, download the codes. Okay, just modify from that to include a few items that we add in this design. So one, input, and then decision, and also output. What? That's all kan? Okay, in 7 minutes
Sir,
Ya.
saya tak boleh buka yang saya hantar tu.
Buka. The rest of you, do you have any problem?
Saya pun tak boleh buka tapi saya buka dekat notepad, lepas tu saya copy paste balik ya.
Try. Yeah, boleh try. Open with notepad first. And then paste in your code block. It's the same code like this one, right? The same code kan?
Sir.
Sama-sama.
Sama
Sir.
Ini saya dah terletak award I forget to delete this one so award already there so just add the rest of the ni lah, the item in the project. Okay. Finish? Finish last? Okay, let's see answers from Zarif Dania. Nama betul ke nama apa ni
Yes,
Ada
sir.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, let me stop first Okay, right. Boleh? Zarif. Okay. Zoom. Zoom sikit. Okay, lagi. Okay, lagi. Alright. Okay. Okay, okay, you see our friend here initialize the value for what? Okay, equal to n. Okay, that one equal to the our flowchart kan. Okay, and then scanf co q. Okay, correct. Okay, scroll down sikit. Okay, so you see there inside of the first condition for marks kan, we have another condition. Okay, we have if co q equal to p within the body of if marks more than 80 and marks is less than 100. Okay, this is correct. The rest of you, do you get the same answer? Supposedly the same kan?
Yes.
Or you have any
Yes.
other answer? The same
Dah
Okay.
dapat
Same.
Okay, good. So this is what we call as nested. Okay. Nested if. You see? Why is it nested? Because within if there's another if. So this is what we call as nested. Ni dah nested Alright, thank you Zarif Dania.
Sir, tapi
Yes.
kan kita orang punya coding sama, tapi bila kita try run, dia just tanya kita marks je. Lepas tu untuk yang kok tu dia terus turun output. Dia tak tanya
Okay,
status.
because character kan. If you want to do scanf for character, make sure before %c tu you put a space kan. Okay, before %c in scanf you put space, blank space blank space %c. Okay, try.
Okay, dapat sir.
Okay so most of the time if you encounter your output your system skip the input for %c tu, most of the time it is because the space tu lah. Okay, %c only applicable for %c the rest you can do normal scanf. Okay, so the rest is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, good. Okay. Okay, so the nature of nested so it must be true. Okay, the first condition should be true, and then it will re-enter the second condition. So this is two level. Okay, two level nested. Okay, if three level nested, this one true, there will be another condition over here. Okay, another condition over here. Then it is a three level lah. True, true, enter another condition. True so it is different compared to ladder. Okay, ladder, if you see true, if it is false, it will re-enter. It will enter other condition. If it is false, it will enter other condition. So this is ladder. So this is nested. Say over here is nested. Okay, down is ladder. Okay, hopefully you can differentiate between nested and ladder. Okay, so finish with the multi-selection. Okay, the rest of the nodes, if you may refer, there are few more example over here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, this is the general structure of nested. Okay, similar as what I explained. If it is true, it will enter condition 2. True, condition 2. Condition 3. Okay, next condition. Okay, this is another example. Okay, this is three level lah. The one that we just done is up to two level kan. If condition 1 true, it will enter body. So this is the body for condition 1. And then inside of it, we have condition 2 kan. Okay, we do up until this level. If let's say there's another condition, so we put it over here. Okay, inside. So this is nested. Okay, so this is ladder kan. Ladder in general, if it is true, it will exit the condition. It will not enter kan. It will not enter the next condition. Okay, if it is true, it will go to its own body and do the statement. So this is the body for this end. So compared to the nested, so the body is bigger kan. The body for condition 1, this is the body for condition 1. Up from here until the end of the condition 3. So this is the body for condition 1, which is bigger. Okay, bigger compared to if we do ladder. Ladder, the body for condition 1, true ni, only consists of one statement. So this is the body. The body is between the opening of curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Okay. The body is only consists of one statement. Okay, boleh kelas any question before we proceed with the next decision concept?
No.
Okay, so next we are going to cover switch case statement. Okay, I believe problem solving also already done this right? Switch case statement. Do you still remember what is switch case statement, class? Example is this one, case structure. Maybe we refer it as case structure during your problem solving. This one already modified by me. Let me change again. Change. Alamak, stuck di sini pula. Okay, this is supposed to be 1. And then this is case 2, if I'm not mistaken. This is case 3 and this is other. You still remember, class? Switch case. Okay. If you want to lupa if you want to use switch case, it is the concept is similar like if else if ladder. However, the symbol that we apply to the flowchart is only one symbol. Okay, for example, case years employed. So if years employed, equal to 1, bonus equal to 100. Else if years employed equal to 2, bonus is to 200. Else if years employed equal to 3, bonus equal to 400. This one what?
Else.
This one is else. Okay. Else bonus equal to 800. Okay. So it is equivalent with if else if ladder. However, how we write it is different. And you can only apply switch case structure if the condition that you want to test is either integer or character only. Okay. If the condition that you want to test inside of the diamond symbol is the type of integer or character. So let's say if years employed you declare it as float. So can you use switch case? Years employed in float, for example, float kan. So this is, let's say, 1.1. This is 2.5. Can you use switch case, guys?
No.
No.
Cannot lah kan? Of course cannot, because this is the rules. Okay, you can only use switch case if the condition involving integer or character. Okay, character is single character, not characters, which is string. No, right? Single character, A or B or C. Okay, single character only. String, you cannot use switch case. Understand? Okay, so how we want to translate this into program? Okay, for that I want you to copy and paste this. Copy and paste this to your code block, run, and please try to understand this coding first. Okay, this is taken from the lecture note. You can download this lecture note from Kalam. Okay, I give you 3 minutes. Copy paste only. Copy, paste, build, and run. Okay, finish.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's understand this coding. Okay, first user need to enter years employed. Okay, this is as we discussed earlier, kan? So let's say if user enter 1, okay, 1 meaning years employed. Okay, so the system will detect it is a case 1. So this is similar with if years employed equal to 1, and then bonus equal to 100. Okay, bonus 100. Okay, bonus 100. Alright. Okay, so that one is clear. Okay, so the syntax you must use switch. Okay, switch this is reserved word for switch case, kan? So you must use switch. Okay, and then you put bracket over here. Okay, and then you put the variable that you want to test. The variable that you want to test as a condition. Okay, you didn't put the condition over here. Meaning if you are using if else, we put condition something like this, kan? Years employed equal to 1. But for switch case, you didn't do it like this. Instead, the condition is you put it over here. So this means, okay, this means case 1 equal to if years employed equal to 1. So this is similar with this one and years employed inside of the switch bracket. Okay, equivalent. Okay, understand? So this one is similar with else if. Else if years employed equal to 2. This one is equal to else. Else, no bracket, else. Else is else only. Then the body is bonus equal to 100. 800, sorry. Okay. So first you must have switch and then you must have the body, okay, for the condition sets. And then you must have case. Okay, you put the value that you want to compare with years employed over here. Okay, so this similar with this condition if you're using if. And then the body, okay, the body, the statement inside of the body, you put it over here. Okay, clear? Okay, next that you must not forget is every case should ended with break statement. This is compulsory. So let's say if you forget to put break, what will happen? Do you get any error? Try class. Do you get any error? Try. Delete break and then try to build and run the program. What did you get?
200 bonus.
When you entered 1, supposedly you must get 100, right? But no, you get 200. Okay. In terms of syntax, no syntax error. That's why you see 0 error. However, in terms of semantic error, there's a semantic error. The answer, the output is not it's supposed to be. So supposedly it must produce 100 for bonus, but you get 200. Okay, meaning that break will stop all statements in the particular condition. Okay, so if you forget to put break, for example, you forget to break for all, let's say there's no break at all. So what will happen? Now try class. No break at all. So what will happen? Okay, you enter 1, you will get default, which is 800. Okay, so it will skip. Okay, it will replace. It not skip. It will replace bonus 100 with bonus 200, and then bonus 400, and then it will take the last value lah, which is 800. Okay, that's why you get 800 over here. So break is important. Okay, otherwise you will get a wrong output. Okay, understand the use of break, class?
Understand.
Yes.
Okay, next. What if? Okay, what if? Okay, what if we have range kan? Ni range ni yang tadi saya ubah kan. The range kan, let's say the value is between range 1 and year 1 until 5. Okay, for example, this one year 6 until 10. Okay, this is year 11 until 12, for example. Okay, range So how do you want to convert it into a program? Range Range. Is it we must apply n No, right? So this is totally different from if statement If you have range, you must put dot. Dot space 5. Meaning that if years employed, okay, equal to 1 until 5. So this is similar with more than equal to 1 and years employed less than or equal to 5. So this is similar with this. Okay. So you may try. Okay, try. Try. This is 6. Apa tadi? And okay, this is if you have range. Okay, range in your system. Boleh kan? Okay, any question so far? Up until range ni guys. Okay, everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Terus sir. Saya punya tu kenapa bila saya run kan, nanti kan output dia keluar banyak nombor.
Output keluar banyak nombor. Okay, let's share. Can you share your screen? Okay, let me stop first. Okay, alright. Siapa tadi?
Saya tadi. Okay.
Okay, Azrizal.
Okay. Yes. Jadi bila saya run ni, dia keluar ni. Kalau saya run, contoh saya tulis 2, nanti kan dia keluar banyak ni.
Share ni your output. We couldn't see your output. Share your entire screen. Share entire screen. Tak nampak output.
Okay. Ni nampak saya. So saya punya output ni.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Look. Tengok tadi code. Your code. Okay, scanf tu ni as a result, scanf you miss the address symbol and use employed.
And use ni.
So the compiler couldn't find this employed. Tu je. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question? No? Okay, if no, then let us proceed with. Okay, what happened? Let's say this is simple kan? We have only one statement for each of the condition. Okay, what if we have more than one statement? How do you want to put it inside of switch case? Let's say this is bonus equal to 100, and then we have. It doesn't matter. It can be another decision. It can be calculation. It can be inputs. It can be outputs. It can be looping. Can be anything. Okay, statement kan. Statement tu can vary lah. But let's say we put a simple one over here. Let's say bonus equal to 100, and then we have another statement. Here is allowance.
Saya tengah present ke?
Oh, apa?
Saya tengah present ni.
Present.
Tak ada.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Penat je kan. Okay, can you see my screen, class?
Boleh.
This slide, what I mean is over here, So this is earlier we just put a simple statement, okay? Each of the condition only have one statement, kan? So what happen if we want to put more than one statement, kan? For example, over here, okay, the statement can be varies from decision, looping, input, output, or the combination of all, right? Over here, there can be more than one statement. So let's say, but for this example, we are using simple statement. For example, this one allowance equal to 10, kan? So how do you want to put it in your system, kan? But this one can be decision, can be everything over here. So, okay, if you have multiple statement, okay, normally we put it like this, bonus, we put something like indent, kan, macam ni, and then you put the second statement, allowance, for example, like that, equal to 10, example, this is example lah. Okay. Okay, class. So this can be more than just initialization lah. You can have if and if else. You may have apa scan F. Okay. and everything. Okay, similar with if you are applying if and else, kan. So this can be multiple statement. And how to write if you have multiple statement lah. Boleh kelas eh?
Boleh.
Okay. Alright. Apa lagi eh? Okay, switch case. Okay, this one later on you may copy and paste. Okay, look at example if the condition involving character. Okay, this is character eh. Earlier we discussed that switch and case only can be applied to integer or character. These two types of variable only. So we already look at the example of integer ni kan. This one, this is integer. So next slide, okay, later on you may test if the condition involving character. So selection we declare as a character kan. So how you want to write it in your codes? You must use ni lah. Okay, the single quote. Okay, single quote, single quote. Okay, so this is simple only. Okay, next we are going to finish actually, but before we end the session, I want you to okay, I want you to refer to the earlier coding. Okay, before you put okay, after you put the nested kan, mine haven't been modified yet, but yours already kan. So you have if apa tadi, if CoQ kan, CoQ equal to P and what's the body, everything So I want you to convert this into switch case statement. Okay, convert this coding into switch case statement. Okay, try to do it in 6 minutes. Okay, after that we are going to discuss. Okay, I will ask some of you to share your answer. Boleh? Understand what to do, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you repeat again?
Sorry?
So can you repeat again? I didn't catch it just now.
Repeat. Okay. So this one is the code kan that you already modify kan. You modify this with this one apa tadi what kan? What equal to sorry to apa? What equal to?
Why, sir?
Why?
Why?
Okay. So I want you to convert this program to switch case statement. Something like this using switch case. Okay, convert this into switch case. Alright.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, kalau macam kan nested kan sir?
Okay.
Maksudnya ada switch kat dalam switch ke macam mana?
It can be, but normally we apply switch if it is a multi-selection. Okay, if it is just a single then, a single selection, just use if. So you just put if inside of it.
Okay, okay sir.
Okay. Okay, finish class.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let's see answer from Chiu Hui Yi. Chiu Hui Yi.
Okay, wait, sir.
Alright.
Eh,
Okay, zoom.
wait, zoom here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zoom some more. Zoom.
Okay, can see.
Okay, alright. Okay, Chiu, you are missing the decision for CoQ.
Oh. Yeah, I can't find it.
Okay, thank you. Let's see answer from Nur Tihani. Nur Tihani.
Sir, I'm using phone.
Oh yeah, okay. Syahidatul Syafia. Ada? Syahidatul?
Saya I'm using phone.
Apa pula pakai phone ni? Zahin Afan. Zahin Afan. Okay. Zoom. Okay. Alright. Boleh run. Saya try run, Zahin. Nampak ada error kan? Hello Zahin. Tak dengar Zahin. Unmute. Oh, problem. Okay. Can you zoom sikit? Zoom sikit lagi. Zoom. Alright. Okay, you see the error too many, point to the error bawah tu. Okay, too many decimal points in number. Okay, this is because the syntax required to put a space, between 80, between 80 and the dot, the first dot. Case 80, put space. Okay, space and then, before 100 space. Alright. Okay, that one extra 1 point tu. Supposed to be 3. Okay. Right, try again. Expected declaration. Okay, where's the curly bracket for main? int main. After return, int main curly bracket open, close, mana close? Close kan? Okay. Okay, alright. So this is the answer lah. Okay, thank you, Zahin. Anybody got different answer? You want to share with the whole class? Ada? Is there any other answer? Ada? Okay, no? No? Okay, no. Alright, so that's it. I think we covered everything about decision. Okay, but okay, before we end the session, I want you to, we have a few more minutes. I want you to complete one assessment, not assessment, one exercise, sorry. Okay, I will share the exercise in WhatsApp now. Okay, have a look of it. Sekejap. Wait. Let me share you. Share with you. Wait. Okay, this one. Okay, check your WhatsApp. Okay, this is the simple task. Very simple. Okay, the codes 80% already given to you, and so what you need to is to fill in the blank. Okay, but before you write down the answer in the blank part, make sure you understand the problem first. So complete it in a form of C program lah. Not submitting the you don't have to submit this word file. Submit the complete C program through Kalam over here. Okay, submit it through Kalam over here. Sekejap. Okay, you go to week 8 to 14 March ni. Okay, lecture week 2. Make sure you submit in the correct place. This link. Lecture week 2. So what you need to submit is 2 files. The first one is the one that I request you to convert. Okay, the grade. Okay, the switch. Okay, this one. This one convert to switch case. Okay, submit the switch case. That one. The second one is the C program for this complete ni lah. For the whole complete program. This one. So 2 file separately. Submit to the same link. Lecture week 2. You understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understand.
Okay, good. So any last question before we end the session?
No.
Okay, no, then see you guys next week. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.